Listen up, baby girl. This one's for you. I need you in my world. Tell me what it do. Need you in my world, need you by my side. Tell me, baby girl, are you down to ride with a G from that south side? 719, Southern Colorado, Rocky Mountain thug. I got that good loving, hugging and kissing is only the beginning. In between the linen, now pick a position, I'm on a mission. Got your body shaking and twitching till 6 in the morning. Then I gotta go, don't take it personal. I'll be back later on. Until then, here's my CD. Think of me and play your favorite song. Don't fight the feeling, baby, just go with the flow. This gangsta love is so appealing and it shows. And I know you wanna give me a try. Now hear me out, I'm not here to play games and waste all of your time. I wanna get to know you, show you that I'm one of a kind. You're a diamond in the rough, you shine like a star. Now take a puff of the cigar, no tobacco, smoking hydro. You don't gotta say a word, your body language says it all. Looking fly, from your sexy eyes to the way that you walk. Open up and let my love in. Baby girl, let's take our time and do it right. Now that you're accustomed to this gangsta loving, put your trust in me. Me and you, we're destined to be. No stressing. I gotta make a confession. From the first time that I saw you, I tried to get your attention, but I never underestimated, infatuated. Maybe you can be my lady. I can be your one and only lover and your homie. Never will you be lonely again. You can count on me till the end. All the time that we spend together, I never wanna be apart. I wanna make it last forever. Baby girl, you're off the charts.